Millions of years ago, the early ancestors of tigers were small, agile felines, built for speed and survival in dense forests. Over time, their bodies evolved. Limbs strengthened, muscles thickened, and claws became fully retractable, allowing silent, controlled movement. As this lineage developed, skulls became shorter and stronger, increasing bite force and control. At the same time, a separate branch of feline evolution took a different path, developing elongated skulls and massive saber-like canines before eventually going extinct. The tiger's lineage continued refining power and precision, bodies becoming heavier, movements more silent, and attacks more explosive. From this evolutionary path emerged the modern tiger, an apex predator perfectly engineered for strength, stealth, and lethal efficiency.